Hi, I'm Nicole Taylor with Republic Manufacturing, and I'm here with our air knife demo unit. We have this system available for you to rent and have at your facility so that you can test and see if an air knife system is what you need for your application. Let's say you want to try drying or blowing off debris. You can take this into your facility, hook it up, and test to see if it'll work before purchasing and making a big investment in your air knife system. It comes with our RB500 blower that has a nice start-stop, so all you have to do is hook it up to electricity and it's ready to go. You then will take the hose that it comes with and hook up either to air knives, to air knife nozzles, or we also have butterfly valves so that you can control the flow that comes through the air knives. We have nozzles and then a Y branch so that you can have two running at the same time. So this is a great way to test out your application and see if we're the right fit for you. Give us a call and we'll be glad to set up a rental for you. Thanks.